Chester used to fall asleep reading a book in the armchair by the fireplace. Put the wood in the fireplace. Now it is time to sit in the armchair reading a book. Sleep tight, Owl Chester. Thomas Pig's favorite balloons are scattered around the room, but their place is in the cupboard. Help Thomas put the balloons to sleep. Rabbit George can't sleep when there is a mess in the house. Help him do the cleaning, pick up all the vegetables, and put them to the cupboard. Well, everything's clean now. Turn off the light, please. Sweet dreams to you, Rabbit George. After guests, there is a mess at Kangaroo Bill's house. Help to do the cleaning, put the furniture and hang paintings and mirror in its places. Kangaroo Bill is tired. Cover her with a blanket. A child can sleep with the lights on. Sleep tight, Kangaroo Bill. Teddy Bear can't go to bed without a spoon of honey. Help him shoo away annoying bees. It is time to have a bite. A child can sleep with the lights on. Sleep tight, Teddy Bear. Thomas Pig's favorite balloons are scattered around the room, but their place is in the cupboard. Help Thomas put the balloons to sleep. Donkey Ronald cannot fall asleep. He lost his tail. Find Ronald's tail and bring it back to him. Well, it's all right now. Turn off the light, please. Good night, Donkey Ronald. Thomas Pig's favorite balloons are scattered around the room, but their place is in the cupboard. Help Thomas put the balloons to sleep.